Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling the exact parts and making the first connections. Pick a BLE HID module and a microcontroller that supports USB or BLE gamepad profiles. Once you have the battery and regulator, wire battery to switch, then regulator to module power. This prevents accidental shorts. Next, physically map every button and joystick axis to a named GPO and run a common ground. Make sure to solder clear labels so you avoid swapping pins later. This saves hours during firmware setup. Once your hardware is stable, load firmware that exposes a gamepad HID profile. This is the crucial middle step. Configure the HID descriptor to match button count and axes, then implement debounce logic for switches and analog scaling for joysticks so values map cleanly from -32,767 to 32,767 where needed. Flash the microcontroller and monitor serial output to check raw inputs. Calibrate stick dead zones and finish by placing the electronics into a fitted enclosure and securing all wiring so nothing shifts. Once enclosed, enter BLE pairing mode and pair with your target host through system Bluetooth. Make sure the HID name matches what you set in firmware. Test thoroughly in a game or controller tester app. If any inputs fail, start troubleshooting systematically. Verify battery voltage under load, reflow questionable solder joints, and recheck the HID descriptor for button or axis index mismatches. Those are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.